that is the first thing we are creating in SAP S4 HANA server, and that is first time we are getting one request. It is prompt for customizing request. So that request is nothing but one request. So that customizing request is nothing but it is just to take the data we have just maintained to the drive, to the storage drive. If that storage place is on the server, so there is one thing, there should be one customizing request. So that is available here because I created this before, but for your reference, I'm going to create it again. Create request. Now there is one thing we can do. Say we can mention the name. So I'm just providing it GA triple 001. GA triple 001. Okay. Now just do one thing. So here that is okay. One customizing request we are doing, saving the data. From here we can select. We can select the one which we have created just now. This one. Now just save this information. Data was saved. Now after creating that company, the second thing we have already discussed about company code. One company code can be created inside one company, and that is the smallest unit for accounts. So here we can carry out the individual or separate accounting statement, profit and loss statement, as well as the balance statement. Now there is one path to be followed on. So same path, SPRO, IM, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, then edit, copy, delete, check company code. Okay, guys. Again, one more time on the HANA server. Go back. I will come from the initial stage. So if we are already stuck somewhere in the current business process or current transaction codes, how to come out of it? Just /n. Now just enter here SPRO. Then move to SAP reference IM. Then move to enterprise structure. Go to definition. Go to financial accounting. Then edit, copy, delete, check company code. So here we can do one thing. We can edit company code data. Edit company code data. Okay. So click on new entry. So guys, this is the screen completely. We can say the SAP functional consultant screen one more time. And here we are just creating company code. One thing we have already discussed that we can create more than one company code in one company. So I'm just providing it the code. So GA20. I'm just providing it to GA 20. Now the name of company, GA Manufacturing, Unit 1. City. So the main client is registered at New Delhi, but it is not mandatory to create your company code at the same place. We can do one thing. We can take that company code somewhere at other location or at the same place. There is no limitation over that. Okay. So do one thing. No, wait for a minute. So city I'm taking for first company code. I'm taking the city same. That is New Delhi. And then country, we all already know about the country. IN is the India. Currency, we can take INR. Then language key EN. EN is English. Enter. Now there is one thing, title. So title for that company code is company. Can we take, no, company is okay. What is the name of that company? Very simple, GA Manufacturing Unit 1. Strict state number maybe 101. House number or plot number we can take maybe 201. We are just taking the dummy data. That data is not the real time of data. City, one more time, the same city, New Delhi. Country IN, India. Now do one thing. Anything else? Just check for the data. I think nothing to maintain. Language is already selected. So just continue. Now go back. So go back one more time. Just check for the company we just created. GA20. I think the data, yes, data is available. GA. Try to save this information. Yeah. Now that is okay. What is the address? We can check from the here. Yeah. Address is maintained. No problem. Now move back. So participants, we have defined the company, means the client, as well as we have defined the company code. Now there is one thing we are going to do. We are going to discuss the other organizational units before moving further. So third one is the plant. So as per the definition or the some short notes are written, but except that I will tell you one thing. If we so we can create a number of plants. Plants are nothing but the working centers, or we can call them the facilities wherever we can do the activities relating to working, relating to the distribution, relating to the packaging, relating to any kind of activity. So one plant is an organizational unit where activities takes place. Activities can be production, activities can be distribution, activities can be assembly, packaging. So like this, there are many activities to be done as per the requirement. Whatever and how many activities you have, you can create those number of plants under one company code. So one plant can be having like one manufacturing facility, warehouse distribution centers, or a regional sales office within logistics. Further, it subdivides an enterprise in different aspects. After creation of company code, there is one thing we need to discuss about, that is the plant. So plant is simply, we have discussed, like one kind of working center. There is one company, manufacturing company. So obviously plant will be for the manufacturing. There is second company such as one finance company, and that company is just doing business in the market and just having a customer base. So will there be any plant as one working center? No. Plant will be taken in the place of working center, but it will be taken as one kind of distribution facility from where we can distribute the finance related services to the client, to the customers. For example, one insurance company. In insurance company, what they have, they just have one product that comes in the category of service. They just have the customer base and they need one place. So there is one headquarter maybe in Mumbai. It has number of branches at every city throughout the country. So that headquarter placed at Mumbai will be taken as one plant in the SAP ERP software. But from the point of view of the logistics, there is always one plant which we can take as one manufacturing facility or a warehouse distribution center or one kind of regional sales office. So on the HANA server, we are just moving to create one plant, SPRO, SAP reference IMG, then just move to enterprise structure, definitions. This time just move to general, logistics general, then move to define plant. The way to create one plant is same as one company code, one new entry, GA31. Just do one thing, go to more, SAP GUI setting options. Now font setting, select here the font 10. Okay, go to system, new GUI window. One more time, do one thing. The first screen, close it down. This is how we can open one more session, one more screen. Now just go through SPRO one more time. Reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, logistics general, define copy, delete check plant, define plant, yes, new entries. So first plant I'm just taking ZA31, its name ZA plant 1, and do one more thing, factory calendar IN. Factory calendar is very important for the plant because factory the plant is directly related to one kind of activity, and in one country if you are doing any activity, so that comes under the tax procedure. as per the law and as per the rules of that country. Now, if I'm just going to save this plant, so one window will be open that is relating to the address. So address I'm just maintaining here GA manufacturing unit 1. Street number I'm just maintaining here street number 301, maybe plot number 401, postal code 321654, city. I'm just maintaining here the same city, New Delhi. First thing I'm just creating in Delhi. Country IN. Now do one thing. Language is already available. So what to do? Okay. Now save this information here. GA0001. That is okay. Yes. So one plant has been created. Now if we have one physical place such as plant to carry out a number of activities. For example, the core activity we are doing here is the manufacturing or the production of any product. It can be one kind of mechanical product, automobile, car manufacturing, automobile vehicles manufacturing, and it can also be something we can call the manufacturing of the electronics items such as the refrigerators, such as LEDs or washing machines, mobile phones, or any furniture factory where we are just doing the manufacturing of furniture or any kind of chemical industry, whatever it is one plant for manufacturing. In association with production, there are other activities to be done, such as the keeping of stocks of the goods, means warehouse. Second, to check the quality of the products or the goods or the stocks, we need quality management department. Third, we need the plant maintenance sites. Fourth, obviously, HR department. Fifth, the sales and distribution department, procurement department. Overall, plant we can call it one kind of factory. And in factory we need everything. So second activity that we are doing that is associated with the plant is the warehouse. And warehouse is one kind of facility or one kind of physical places available. We call them storage locations. So storage locations are the physical places to keep the stocks, to keep the goods. So here we are just moving further to the materials management. Just go there and maintain the storage location now. So it is asking from us like one plant. I have provided one plant GA31, new entries, storage location. So first is GA41 SL1, second GA42 SL2, third GA43 SL3, GA44 SL4. Like this, we can create a number of storage locations. And these storage locations we can utilize as per the need or as per the requirement. Number first, SL1. So that storage location one we are taking for the raw materials. Second, we are taking for the semi-finished goods. Third, we are taking for the finished goods. Fourth, we are taking for the spare parts. Fifth, we are taking for the others. Like this, we can create a number of storage location in one plant. There is no limit to create the storage location. Now save this data. As per the SAP MM training, what are the different components of SAP MM? So if you see this tree, so client, company codes will be created by the FICO. Sales organization and groups or divisions will be created by the sales and distribution consultant. Plant, storage location, purchasing organization and purchasing group. Groups will be created by the one working in the MM department. Now, there is one thing. Go to this application. Sorry. Now go to the next sub-organizational unit. We call it purchasing organization. So that is the core topic for the one SAP MM consultant, because 30% MM is all about material, the material management. 30% it is all about the procurement activities. In procurement or purchasing, the biggest organizational level is itself the purchasing organization. So under one company or one plant, we can create one purchasing organization. This department will be responsible for the procurement activities, for the purchasing activities as per the requirement of the plant, as per the requirement of the company code. This will be responsible for the procurement externally. We can take purchasing organization at many levels. That is a topic of discussion, and we will discuss about that thing. Now I will show you something. First, see how to create. Creation part is very simple. Go to back. See here, same in the materials management, we have the purchasing organization, but I will take you people from the starting. SPRO, reference IMG, then go to enterprise structure. After that, move to definition, then go to materials management directly, maintain purchasing organization. Now, go to new entry. First thing, I'm just creating here the first one by the code GA51, GA purchasing organization 1, GA52, GA purchasing organization 2, GA53, GA purchasing organization 3. This is how we can create a number of purchasing organization. So why more than one? Is there anything? Is there any limitation that we can create only 3 or more than 1 or more than 2? No. Actually, we can create a number of plants under one company code. For example, 4 plants. For example, we are creating 4 plants under one company code. So there is one thing that is sure. If you need one purchasing organization independently for one plant, so obviously you need 4 purchasing organizations. Yes. Again, if we have 2 company code under one client and we need the purchasing organization as per the company codes, so number of company codes will be equal number of purchasing organization. Now we are just taking number first purchasing organization for company code 1, number second purchasing organization for company code 2. So this is how I'm telling you, like first purchasing organization for one plant, second purchasing organization for second plant, and if there is any need, So third purchasing organization for the company code under which we are going to create two plants. So everything I will show you, I will discuss with you. Nothing to worry. Go back.